Is the US dollar on its way out? And could silver, a metal most people overlook, become the new money of the future? First, let's be clear. The US dollar has dominated global trade for nearly 80 years. It's been the world's reserve currency, the backbone of international oil, and the symbol of economic power. The dollar is the foundation for international oil transactions. This status reflects significant US economic power on a global scale. Its dominance impacts trade, investment, and monetary policies worldwide. Many nations are decreasing their dependence on the US dollar. This trend is referred to as de-dollarization. De-dollarization is gaining momentum worldwide. This acceleration is driven by a combination of economic and geopolitical influences. But something interesting is happening. Countries around the world are slowly stepping away from the dollar. This trend is called de-dollarization, and it's growing faster than ever. Massive US debt contributes to the trend of de-dollarization. Rising inflation rates within the US also play a significant role. Increased money printing by the US government is another contributing factor. Geopolitical tensions globally add to the impetus for de-dollarization. A weakening trust in fiat currency overall further accelerates de-dollarization. Silver isn't just a shiny metal. It's one of the most important industrial materials on Earth. It plays a vital role in the advancement of solar energy technologies. Silver is also essential in the production of electric vehicles and AI hardware. Furthermore, it is used in microchips and various medical technologies. The demand for silver is currently on the rise. This increased demand is primarily driven by silver's various industrial applications. However, silver mining output is struggling to meet the growing demand. This imbalance between supply and demand is creating potential supply shortages in the silver market. The potential supply shortages could lead to price increases and market volatility for silver. Alright, the big question. Can silver actually replace the dollar? Short answer, not directly. However, silver could still play a significant role in the future financial system. This role may involve serving as a store of value. Silver could also function as a hedge against inflation. Additionally, silver might be used in specific industries or sectors. Its potential integration depends on various economic and geopolitical factors. Central banks are actively exploring the potential of digital currencies. These digital currencies aim to modernize financial systems and transactions. Some economists propose backing digital currencies with commodities like silver. Commodity backing is suggested to enhance the stability of digital currencies. This approach may also increase public trust in digital currencies. Silver is considered a safe haven asset, offering stability during economic downturns. This classification arises from its perceived ability to retain value amidst financial instability. As confidence in fiat currencies diminishes, investors often turn to silver. Silver serves as a hedge against inflation, preserving purchasing power. It provides a buffer against the erosion of wealth caused by rising prices. Similar to gold, silver offers a refuge during periods of economic uncertainty. Silver's value has the potential to increase relative to the dollar. This increase could preserve purchasing power for investors. Silver's appreciation could also lead to growth in investment value. This potential exists even if silver does not replace the dollar as a primary currency. Investors may consider silver as a hedge against dollar devaluation. The relative increase in value could provide a return on investment. Many financial analysts foresee a hybrid financial system emerging. This system would integrate digital money with traditional assets. Digital currencies would be partially backed by real-world assets. Assets like gold and silver could restore trust in the monetary system. Silver is becoming increasingly important due to its role in green energy technologies. It is also critical in high-tech manufacturing processes. This dual demand is making silver an increasingly valuable asset. The growth of green energy infrastructure depends on silver's special characteristics. Therefore, silver's significance is tied to advancements in sustainable technologies. Silver is potentially undervalued in current market conditions. Rising industrial demand is a key factor influencing silver's value. Increased demand stems from silver's use in various industrial applications. Potential supply shortages could further impact silver prices. Decreased supply, coupled with high demand, may drive prices upward. This scenario presents a potential investment opportunity in the commodities market. Economic uncertainty is growing regarding the US dollar. This uncertainty is leading to increased interest in alternative metals. Silver is emerging as a potential beneficiary of this shift. Investors may be seeking to diversify their portfolios. This suggests a possible change in traditional investment strategies. Silver is unlikely to directly replace the US dollar as the world's primary reserve currency. However, silver's importance in the global financial system could increase over time. This potential rise in significance is linked to evolving global economic conditions. As economic landscapes shift, alternative assets like silver may gain prominence. Silver could become a more influential factor in international trade and finance. Silver's role could evolve to be more important than the dollar in specific sectors or applications. Financial experts predict a potential surge in silver's value in the future. This anticipated increase is attributed to silver's diverse applications across various industries. Silver also plays a significant role in financial markets, influencing its valuation. The combined industrial and financial demand is expected to drive silver's price upward. Therefore, experts suggest that silver could be a valuable asset in the coming years. Silver may not be the currency of the future. Silver could provide future value underpinning currency. Silver could provide stability in a changing financial world. Silver could provide trust in a changing financial world.